I celebrate myself and sing myself, and what I assume, you shall assume. For every atom belonging to me, as good belongs to you. I loaf and invite my soul. I lean and loaf at my ease, observing a spear of summer grass. My tongue, every atom of my blood, formed from this soil, this air. Born here, of parents born here. I, now 37 years old, in perfect health, begin hoping to cease not till death. I harbor for good or bad. I permit to speak at every hazard. Nature without check, with original energy. The smoke of my own breath, echoes, ripples, buzzed whispers, my respiration and inspiration, the beating of my heart, the passing of blood and air through my lungs, the sniff of green leaves and dry leaves, and the hay in the barn, the sound of the belched words of my voice, the play of shine and shade on the trees as the supple boughs wag. Have you reckoned 1,000 acres much? Have you reckoned the earth much? And you shall possess the origin of all poems. You shall possess the good of the earth and sun. There are millions of suns left. You shall no longer take things second or third hand, nor look through the eyes of the dead, nor feed on the spectres in books. You shall not look through my eyes either, nor take things from me. You shall listen to all sides, and filter them from yourself.